to Jam and Jerk. Music and food is what we do. We're in our hometown, Croydon. This is the best you're gonna get. We concentrate on jerk chicken, curry goat, rice and peas, ackee and saltfish. We do everything Caribbean. Everything Caribbean, and it's authentic. This is what you'll get. You taste the best, you won't forget. This is our #1 grill chef, Anton. How you doing?
I'm good, thanks.
And what do you do for Jam and Jerk?
I provide the best chicken you possibly can.
There you go.
There's black love in it, there's Swansea love in it, there's all the best love possible in this chicken.
And it tells you, look at the size of them on the jerk. This is my #1 chef, Joshua. #1 authentic Caribbean, award-winning, top chef. Say hello to the camera here for us, Josh. We're pleased to have him on our team. He provides the top quality. Is second to none. Caribbean food is what we do. This is my brother Tony.
Hi.
And have we got the girls over here? Shan?
Hiya.
What do you do for Jam and Jerk then, Shan?
Okay, I do everything. I'm like the manager. So right now, I'm making the jerk right.
Are you trying to say you run things?
I do run.
And what number can they get you on? 07958 232 778. Welcome to Jam and Jerk. Our new addition. And your name? Rochelle. Just a new member have joined the team. Started from just coming in. Family came over. What do we need is just music and food. That's the main thing. Music and food and something to drink, and of course that's how we got from authentically from the Caribbean. My mum showed us how to do what things. We've got Josh, who's a qualified chef. He's implicated most of the curry goat. The taste that you'll get is second to none. Yeah. So, as you know, this has got the best properties that is good for your body. Hibiscus plants, good for your liver, your kidneys. It's most of what we do. Don't forget, if you want to contact us, we do garden parties. You can catch us on 07958 232 778. You can also email us at jamandjerk, JAMN for November, and JERK, jamandjerk at AOL.com.
I got Facebook.
You can find us on Facebook and Jam and Jerk on Twitter.
Instagram.